Chilled and air conditioning systems are made simple with H2x, and designs that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. To start things off, let's go into our chilled settings where we are presented with a wide range of customization options for our design, from pipe sizing methods to default sizing and materials. H2x also provides you with a wide range of calculation methods from around the world, including methods for the US, the UK, Europe, Australia, and India. And all measurements are both available in imperial and metric. Draw your cooling load calculations directly onto PDF floor plans, and then design chilled systems by selecting and placing a wide range of equipment, all of which has fully customizable settings. And then using the Pipes and Multiple Pipes tools, draw polyline pipe systems that link everything together. Then to complete your chilled system, choose from a wide range of cooling emitters, all of which once again have fully customizable settings. Selecting the Results tab instantly sizes and calculates your entire design with CIBSE-verified accuracy. Zooming in on our pipes, we can see the velocity, pressure drop, and recirculation flow rate. Then looking at our chilled plants, we can see the chilled rating, the total system and emitter volumes, and the total cooling load. And finally, looking at our fan cooling unit, we can see the chill rating, volume, and pressure loss. Through H2x, you can directly export your designs into both AutoCAD and Revit. And in terms of documentation, export your plans into fully customizable PDF drawing sets, a full system design report that compiles every calculation in your system, and a bill of materials that compiles all costs into an easy-to-read, easy-to-reference spreadsheet. If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2x, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of consultants.